How to link BattleNet and Steam. First, make sure you're logged into your BattleNet and Steam accounts. Go to the BattleNet website and log in with your username and password. Then, head over to the Steam platform and do the same. Make sure you're logged into Activision as well. Activision will be the medium to link your BattleNet and Steam. Now, go to the Activision website. This is where you'll connect your BattleNet and Steam accounts. Once you're on the Activision website, look for your profile settings. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile icon or username. Within your profile settings, you'll see an option called Account Linking. Click on that. Here, you'll see two options, linking your BattleNet account and Steam account. If your Steam account is already linked, you'll see it indicated here. If your Steam account isn't linked yet, click on the option to link it. When you click to link your Steam account, Activision will ask you to verify your identity. Click on Send Code. They'll send a verification code to the email address associated with your account. Check your email for the verification code and enter it where prompted on the Activision website. That's it. Your BattleNet and Steam accounts are now linked. You can enjoy playing games across both platforms seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and gaming tips. Happy gaming, and I'll see you in the next one.